Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today is August the 11th, 2025. We're going to go ahead and take a look at our pomegranates. Now, right now, you see this one closest to us. It's not showing any signs of fruit anywhere, really. I don't see any fruit on this one right here. Now, we're here in the state of Florida, zones 9A, 10B border. So the grow conditions here are okay for the pomegranate. The soil is just sugar sand. There's no fertilizers, no sulfur, no nothing. This pomegranate here does not seem to have any fruit either. Now if we go over here, for some reason these pomegranate trees or bushes over here are doing more. You look there, there's something growing. There's one. There's something trying to grow there too. You see a lot of flowers on the ground over here. So that's always a good sign. We see another fruit trying to grow there. You look at that. Down here. Oh, look at that. There's a big one up in there. See that? Let's get a little closer. That one's pretty decent size. There's one over here. That one's doing all right. Let's look around further. So there seem to be more fruiting opportunities over here. Here's one trying to grow a little bit higher up. But this is out in the full sun too. Here's another one trying to grow right up in here. So what we have, like 5 or 6 fruit that are coming out. There's another one. That one might not survive, I don't think. Here's another one over here that looks like it could survive. So yeah, like 7 fruit. Oh wait, I just saw this one up here, or unless we already saw that one, but then there's that one right there. So cool. We got quite a bit of fruit growing. They're not terribly large. I don't know if they're gonna get that large, but for these pomegranate bushes, we don't water them at all, ever. All of the, we started off with about 15 of them. Now we're down to this last few. I'm really kind of, thinking that the soil conditions here are not optimal for these pomegranates, only because this is where the old fire pit was. So there's a lot of ash underneath of the soil. So I'm thinking they don't like that ash. That's why you see that one dying. We're down to 1, 2, 3. We only got 4 left out of 15 that were looking pretty good. But yeah, that's the story behind these pomegranates. Now at the end of this video, at the top right, you'll see a link that will take you to the backstory of all of these pomegranates on the property. Let's check out a couple of the wonderful variety of pomegranate. Now back here, I've been trying to grow some of the wonderful variety. These are the ones you find in the grocery stores 99% of the time. And it's been a challenge because we've got bunnies and squirrels and all kinds of critters that come and if you look here, I'll show you up close. That's been chewed off earlier this year. So then once that was topped by a critter, it grew a bunch of new shoots, which is good. That's what I had wanted. But it's just annoying to have to keep up with these critters. Let's look in here and see what has survived the critters. So if you look down here, you've got that's all that's growing of the wonderful variety. Like I said, we've been trying to keep these guys, you know, chugging along for the last few years, 2 years, I would say. Let's look over here, see what's going on. They got mauled to death when I took these teepees off of them. So here we are. The new stuff growing. It's really sad that you have to keep up with the critters around here, but because they'll just destroy all your stuff, especially when it's new. But we'll just keep an eye on these guys, and hopefully things will progress from here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. That helps the channel grow, and stay tuned. I'll keep you updated on the progress of these pomegranates. Have a great day.